sasapakin natin, mas malaki sila.
Deblab ka agad. Okay. Regroup tayo dito sa ping. Sa bandang may bandang may issue doon. Regroup tayo doon.
Sabihin ko, i-check ko i-scout ko na sila.
Sige. Lapit ka doon dyan. Pa-mark ka. Pa-mark ka sa kanila para di nila expect. Okay, regroup na tayo dito. Full regroup na dito. Full regroup. Yung tatlong healer natin.
Engaging nyo sila. Engaging sila. They're fighting inside. They're fighting.
Okay. Come closer. Wag mo na. Layo pa tayo. Yung tatlong healer, hintayin natin tatlong healer natin sa likod.
Wait. Pwede kayo mag-dismount sa harap. Sasabihin ko pag...
Okay, this one.
Wala pa, sobrang layo mo.
Hold lang. Hindi, hold lang. Nag-hold lang kami dito. Nag-hold lang kami.
Keep walking.
Walk.
Ready ka na.
Walk. Ready na. Walk. Nag-walk kami.
Put up NOC. Ready ka sa gate. Southwest gate.
Yeah, sa gate.
Southwest gate.
Ready.
Southwest gate, pre.
Southwest gate.
Oh, gago. Okay, wait lang. Southwest gate. Ready. Southwest gate.
On me now.
Just on me.
Oh, huge!
Southeast now. Kahit southeast. Gago, di ako nakapag-coms. Namatay yung push top ko. Go kahit southeast. Kahit southeast. Ready. Hello.
Wala pa.
Full kite southeast.
Yeah, meron. I have. Meron ka lang.
Ready na. Just on the front. In front of us. In 3, 2, 1. Just in front. Okay. Go east now. Go east. Kick pass. Heal on the front, please. Heal on the front. Baba. Go downhill. Down. Ready, engage.
Pail ako.
Okay. Sabatin ko lang. Sabat lang to.
Keep going east.
Yeah, keep going east. Follow nyo yung lake. Follow the lake. Ready na? Ready, engage?
May DPS ka na.
Okay. Gilang. Okay, full kite lang muna. Full kite.
Casting.
Yeah. Ready on the front. Ready? On the front. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Just on the front. Okay, kite now. Kite east. Tayo, lagkit nila, gago. Kite east. Gago, nagiwalay yung natin, nagiwalay yung third natin. Naano ka? Natulak ako sa likod. Full run. Natulak ako sa likod. Nahiwalay ako.
Down the hill, Northwest.
Call mo, Jel.
Down the hill, Northwest. Keep going north. You have damage. Yo, drop damage on the Hodge.
Meron.
One, drop damage on the Hodge. Just drop damage on the Hodge. Come north. Spread na kayo. Run na kayo. For casualty?
Full run na kayo. Run na kayo.
Mount
Kaya kung kaya mag-mount kayo. Run.
Gagad, ang ganda ng Southwest, pre. Lahat sila doon dumaan sa choke.
Oo nga eh.
Execute ako.
Tapos wala kang countdown, pre.
Di ako nakapag-countdown. Tanga, di na yung push to top ko. Pangina.
Huwag ka na mag-push to top, pre.
Sobrang layo mo talaga mag-dismount yung ko.
Nintay ko yung tatlong healer eh. Tanga, pa. Nag-holding hands pa sa likod.
Kahit mag-dismount ka sa mukha nila, basta wala silang engage, may occult naman tayo.
Sige.
Nasa akin yung 4-4 mo, Maya.
Sige.
Yun, nakuha pala 4-4 mo eh.
Matay ako. Apat casualty?
Full run na. Nung wala yung vagabond ka agad.
Na